was well arranged. Krakow Wawel Castle and Cathedral Guided Walking Tour. The Royal Castle, a historic residence of Polish monarchs and a symbol of national heritage, evolved into a pivotal museum by 1930. Its diverse collections encompass paintings, sculptures, textiles, weaponry, porcelain, and furniture, showcasing the nation's rich cultural heritage. Notable highlights include the famed Zygmunt August tapestries, Renaissance Italian paintings from the Lanckoronski collection, and the largest collection of tints in Europe within the Wawel Eastern Art Collection. Expertly guided tours offer insight into these treasures, with permanent exhibitions faithfully reconstructing Renaissance and Baroque-era rooms. Additionally, visitors gain access to the Grand Wawel Cathedral, completing an unforgettable journey through Poland's royal history and artistic legacy.